Rolling. So what we did is painted the door armrest, and then this centerpiece, you can just pull it out. Getting it back in, you gotta put it in one side and then pop it in with a screwdriver. I just painted it the same color as the car, so it's the blue. And then we polished up the door handle, or the door handle. Now I know this looks hideous, but it's because I had bits and pieces left over, but it still works. And then this thing we just cleaned with the old tub of towels. This is actually black. I went ahead and glued around the edge and then covered this with a poly. Try to keep some of the weather off. Getting it back in is not that difficult. Start on one end. Filming.
Oh, sorry.
These are self-tapping screws. If you're lucky, you can line it back up into the original holes. But you're gonna need a bit driver. I put a washer right there because it was pulling through the carpet. There's a washer on the front side and the back side. That way it's not going to pull through this wood. I just thought there was too much tan over here. Break it up a little bit. Tie in the color from the outside to the inside. But you do whatever you want. So that's not tight. There it is. See the blue now?